It's the ultimate taboo, the final line in a survival handbook. But let's ask the question, could you survive eating only humans? On paper, the numbers seem plausible. An average adult body contains over 125,000 calories. The thighs alone could offer over 13,000. In the face of starvation, like the Donner Party trapped in the snows, or the Andes survivors clinging to life on a frozen mountain, it's a grim calculation that has been made before. But staying alive for a week is not the same as long-term survival. Because very quickly, your new diet would begin to betray you. Sure, you're getting protein and fat, but you're getting almost no vitamin C. Within months, your gums would start to bleed, your teeth would loosen, the telltale signs of scurvy. Without vitamin D, your bones would soften. Without thiamine, your nervous system would begin to fail, a condition called beriberi. You'd be consuming thousands of calories, but your body would be starving for the micronutrients found in a diverse diet, the kind you get from plants and other animals. Your body would literally start to fall apart piece by piece from the inside. But the nutritional deficiencies are a slow burn compared to the true monster hiding in this diet. It has a name, Kuru. In the mid-20th century, the four people of Papua New Guinea practiced ritual cannibalism, consuming their deceased relatives. Soon, a horrifying disease emerged, mainly in women and children who ate the brain. They'd start with tremors, lose coordination, then suffer from uncontrollable, maniacal laughter, which is why Kuru became known as the Laughing Death. It was always fatal. The cause? Not a virus, not a bacteria, but a misfolded protein called a prion. Prions are nearly indestructible. Cooking doesn't kill them. And when you eat them, they get into your brain and start a chain reaction, forcing your own proteins to misfold, turning your brain into a sponge. The most terrifying part is the incubation period. It can be over 50 years. You could eat a single meal and be perfectly healthy for decades, a walking ghost with a certain fatal neurological time bomb ticking silently away in your head. Beyond the individual body, the very concept is a mathematical and social impossibility. A society that eats itself is a society in a death spiral. Your food source is your own population, which rapidly diminishes. But the social fabric would tear long before starvation returned. Trust evaporates. Empathy becomes a liability. Every other person is no longer a collaborator in survival, but a competitor, a resource to be consumed. The psychological trauma of breaking such a fundamental taboo would shatter any semblance of community, leaving only isolated, paranoid individuals waiting for their turn to be hunted or to succumb to the diseases they've ingested. So, could we survive eating only humans? The answer is an unequivocal no. You might extend your life for a few desperate days, but you trade it for a certain future of deficiency, disease, and madness. It's not just a moral line, it's a biological one. You wouldn't be surviving, you'd simply be choosing a more horrific way to die, becoming a walking tombstone long before your heart finally stops beating.